The Don Tomas restaurant, set in the ground floor of the Vistamar apartments. Beautiful terraces looking over the Mediterranean Sea. Hello, good day. I'm Mario Delgado, head chef at the Don Tomas and the Hamilton Court restaurant on Santo Tomas. Today we're going to prepare a recipe for this Christmas. The recipe consists of a ravioli of tuna and aubergines of the island and 4 cheese soup. Before anything, let's make a toast for all of you with a white wine, dry, excellent for the occasion. Let's start with the 4 cheeses of the island, one practically not cured, one semi, one cured, and another of a Parmesan style. To make the soup, heat up some milk, grate the cheese in, and then some cream. Soup of 4 cheeses. We have the tuna of the island, and now it's the season, a giant red tuna, and the aubergines of the island. We have the olive oil to fry, 3 herbs that we can find in any home, salt, pepper and rosemary to end off the plate. Let's start by cutting the aubergine. We take the end off. We want to cut along the aubergine. And then again we cut in half, and now we have to make some fine cuts. Here we have one, and here we have another. After that we try to make them the same size to make a cross. Once we've got the cross made, put the tuna in the middle. A bit of salt and pepper, and we'll close it. There's one over here, and there's one in there, and we skewer it, and then with a knife we'll cut off what's left over, and we have the ravioli. Well, the most important thing about frying the ravioli is that you have to fry it at high temperature, so the tuna, it just gets to its point and the outside is nice and golden. As you can see, the oil is hot. You only need a minute so that the tuna will be ready to eat. And there we have the ravioli, tuna and aubergine of the island, and soup of 4 Menorcan cheeses. Well, now we're going to take all the elements that we want for the plate and to end the recipe. We'll start with getting a glass, a cocktail glass. In the base, we'll put what is the soup of 4 cheeses of the island. We put the ravioli on top, then sprinkle on some rosemary, just a little. And last, a little of extra virgin olive oil. Well, here we have the results of our recipe. This ravioli of aubergine and tuna from the island, cheese soup. We've made it with local products, and I hope you've enjoyed it a lot, and especially for these Christmas holidays. To your health. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, thank you, Mario, for this interesting recipe, which got the first prize in Cuinar, the Menorcan Food and Catering Fair, with all the Menorcan restaurants participating.
DVD Postal. Innovation and information. Welcome to the world of DVD Postal. Someone's enjoying their holidays. I want to tell you. But even better, they're going to show you.